Good morning and welcome to Chateau Charles, which is about 20 miles from Spa Francorchamps. I'm here on a 2-day RMA track day with a couple of clients of mine. I don't normally vlog when I'm working like this with private clients, however this opportunity doesn't come about a lot because these boys do track days properly. I'll just show you a couple of clips from yesterday evening. It's the Tuesday now. I had a Monday track day, Tuesday track day today, but I'll show you the Monday evening, the lineup of cars and the place in which we're staying. It's absolutely fantastic. That is just a small glimpse of the place, the beautiful Chateau Charles that we're staying here. Perfect for your Grand Prix trips, perfect for your track day trips, perfect for golf. I think it's a golf resort or something around here. I'm not really into that. Max, our host, has been absolutely fantastic, so make sure you go and check these guys out. It's beautiful place, beautiful location, beautiful service as well. I mean, yeah, we had the cars laid out all very formally with the sun going down behind the hills. Made for a really fantastic evening, and yeah, we were looked after very, very well. So we've done all that now. We've got all the nice hospitality stuff out of the way. Now we're going to get to the track for day 2 at Spa and go nice and fast. Let's catch up then. RMA being RMA, we've got some of the best cars you can see at Trackdays, being driven properly by proper drivers. That's why I allow the overtaking on both sides, which allows the day to flow so much more with the high ability of drivers that we've got. So yeah, mega day so far. Look at the weather, absolutely beautiful, so cannot ask for much more. Go nice and fast in the Porsche and the McLaren. Afternoon left, so hopefully the tyres last for the remainder of the day and the journey back home to England as well. So let's go check out some of the stuff in the pit lane. I think if I spin round here, you could probably choose something that you would begin to like. GT3, 991, 997 I believe that is as well. That's a GT2 RS actually, 996, which is a 900 brake horsepower apparently. McLaren behind the Beamer, M3, 720 over in the far distance, two Lotuses just here, the Evora and the Exige. 997 GT3 RS on slicks as well, so that's a mega piece of kit. Atom over in the background, Mercedes GT3 991 GT3 RS, absolutely mega, absolutely mega. Looks awesome out on circuit. The 2 days have come to the end here at Spa. Fantastic event by RMA, fantastic bunch of guys that we've been with, some serious kit. Big shout out to Nick for arranging the whole event. Big shout out to Terry and Pete for inviting me along as their coach. I really hope that we can do something again in the future. The cars were fantastic. The two that I managed to get out in, the Cayman GT4, fantastic. I always wanted to drive one. Handling was fantastic, great user-friendly car, perfect entry-level car, I'd say, for track day driving. The McLaren, absolute rocket ship. In a straight line, there was not much out there that was faster than it. Maybe the big McLaren 720, but for a baby McLaren, that's a serious piece of kit. Also very impressed at the trackability, if that is a word, of the 570, because it is predominantly a road car, but it handled the track fantastically. It wasn't too rolly, it didn't cook the brakes and tyres too much. They did get a lot of abuse and a lot of pounding over the 2 days, but yeah, it was incredible to see some of the kit it could keep up with and was as quick as. So yeah, I'm going to go see Terry and Pete now. They're out together, and then we're going to pack up the cars and then they're going to head on back, so we shall catch up with them then. That's the end of a mega couple of days. Cayman's almost broken, McLaren's almost broken, purely down to tyres and brakes, which normally means a very good day's been had. So big thanks to the guys for having me, and yeah, hope to be back at Spa soon. Ciao, ciao.